We are on behalf of a group called No7, and we have an opportunity to meet one of our lovely brother. Have a chance to meet him today, and he is in legal firms, and he is one of the expert lawyer. We would like to ask a very difficult questions, which is probably no one has an answer. The question is the demand of separate administration by the team of one ethnic group. If there could be one solution alternate to this demand of separate administration, what could be that solutions?
Yeah, first let's try to understand what do they actually mean by separate administration. If you go by the interviews of some of the Kuki leaders, namely Paulinam Hokip, then Kham Khan Sean Hoxing, in their interviews to the Wire, finally we have come to know what do they actually mean by separate administration. Their separate administration concept is not a concept which can be created within the present territory of Manipur, and their separate administration is basically a land separately earmarked for the Kukis, maybe in the form of a separate state or union territory. That's what they are saying. So that basically involves the disintegration of Manipur or a creation of a union territory or a state out of Manipur. So that seems to be out of the question because Amit Shah has clearly indicated that there will be no dilution of Manipur's territorial integrity. Now, second question is whether this a separate administration system still exists. The answer is yes, because under the 5th schedule and the Manipur Hill Areas Autonomous District Council Act 2000, there are autonomous district councils in 6 places in Manipur, namely Chusanpur, Senapati, Chandul, Ukhrul, Sadar Hills, and one I forgot. So it's just that those autonomous councils are not made to function properly because of a lot of reasons, including but not limited to the autonomy fight or the fight for powers between the incumbent MLA and the members of the elected district councils. So if you look at the powers of the district councils, they have vast powers, including legislative powers, executive powers, and even the powers to levy taxes and the tolls within the autonomous council districts. So the answer to your question is that first, there has to be a correct understanding of separate administration. Second, separate administration exists for the Naga tribe and for the Kuki tribes in Manipur. All that is required to be done is to strengthen or to revive the district councils, which are basically autonomous councils, by having proper elections, because these are all elected bodies. So the second initiative or a separate, autonomous district or separate administration which I can think of under the constitution is a separate administration under the 6th schedule, which basically means that there will be similar district councils but with more numbers again elected and with more powers, slightly more powers, basically which includes judicial powers. They can create 2 layers of courts which can try cases in criminal cases, not for those offences which are punishable by more than 5 years. So slightly enhanced powers are available under the 6th schedule autonomous council. There is something which the government may consider or may not consider, but that again will be similar to the ones which are still existing. So my understanding is that the grievances which our tribal brethren have vis-a-vis the autonomy of administration can be addressed by strengthening and reviving the district councils, the existing councils. So that possibly is the best way to go forward.
I think this is a very good message to the crisis that's been happening around.
Right.
For an example, there are various schools in the different places, but every school has its own rules, regulation. The principals are one, the principal to another principals are different, but we have a place to govern and to have a knowledge and learn the educations and become one good citizens of the fellowship. However, we don't need to have a demarcations as a border to divide as a separation as one border to the other borders within the state of Manipur. And thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.